Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's see our analysis for the gold for the coming week, starting from 18th later on today UK time. So we start with Forex Factory first of all. See what's happening in the market. Right. So let me filter this Forex Factory for the dollar. We normally look for the gold analysis, so I can filter uh, the other news apart from US dollar. So, and what we have for the coming week, starting from Monday, the 19th, we have, okay, this medium back on Monday, FOMC member Waller speaks at 2:15 p.m. and then we got Wednesday, Tuesday, we have nothing. Wednesday, we got 7 p.m. FOMC meeting minutes. And Thursday, we got unemployment claims. Does it have impact? FOMC meetings was having impact as well. And let me make it more clear for you guys. And so right, this have impact, this medium impact, the having impact Thursday, and then again Thursday, 1:30 the timing for again Thursday, flash manufacturing PMI, voila, services PMI, 3 p.m. existing home sales medium impact. Jackson Hole Symposium, that's medium impact symposium. And it's day one of that. And Fed Chair Powell speaks. That's at Friday, 23rd of August. And next one, that's day one and day two of the Jackson Hole Symposium. So we have some news. It's not heavily impact, very, very heavily impacted week for the news, but we got some heavy impact news here. Right. Okay, now let's go on to our chart. Starting from monthly, what we have. Okay, let's see currently what the situation is. Guys, we have broke from this level in month. Some people were expecting rejection from here with looking at this evening start and rejection candle, but fundamentally goes were very bullish, so didn't care about this evening star, so it carried up. Now what next? So I'm expecting gold in monthly most likely has to test this area sometime, maybe in the future. But let's see. Because we got in monthly, we have this level as well. So maybe gold will go a bit further to the upside. And before up to here, maybe. I'll see that Fibonacci levels in a shortly. So we can and test this area, go to make a double top, come back here, test this area, and then to the upside. So this is one of the scenarios in monthly. But we are because we still got a couple of weeks, 2.5, 3 weeks to the end of the month. We can always see that later towards the end of the month. But what's happening in weekly? See, in weekly, what we have, we clearly expected move to the upside because this weekly area was broken. And then we had this rejection candle retest is a very strong retest of the weekly area with this red candle, and we are bullish now. Right. So On weekly, well, on daily, we have already broke this level. Initially, we are at this level, and then we broke this level, then broke this level, and then broke this level. So see the movement of the market in dailies. And if I go on back to weekly, we have this area which need to be possibility need to be tested in the future, and this one as well. But first of all, gold have to break this in from in this level. So if I put a Fibonacci level in weekly, starting from this leg up to here, 0.618 level, which is a normal target, is this one, right? Which is 2599, which is 2600 roughly in weekly. Meaning next week we can see the movement possibly towards that level. And if we go to daily, we have this area need to be tested, which is 2480 need to be tested. In 4 hour, we have seen this level has been tested. And this level has been tested already in 4 hour. But in daily, it still may need to test this level again before it want to move to the upside. It's possible. This red level, the red line, and this level here, that can be tested as well. But anyway, let's go and see our daily candle. It's a very bullish candle, and draw this top of the candle, that's the bottom of the candle. So if this level is broken, we further can see the targets to the upside. It's very much possible that it goes to the upside, then come down, test this level, and to the upside again. So it's currently, because we don't have any historical levels to the top, so we only can use Fibonacci. In 4 hour, we'll use Fibonacci, and we get this 2556 level in 4 hour. If we use Fibonacci from this leg, to here, and then to here. So next target possibly could be this 0.618. That's in 4 hour. And daily, okay, if we start fib and daily in this level, we have 2542 level. and weekly we're at 2600. So because so that means there's a further room to go towards this side, to the upside. There's a further room. However, if we start daily from here, fib level, same as for hedge level. So definitely, I would expect gold to go to the upside, but we're not going to trade like that. We have to look for confirmation. So I would expect a better trade. Pullback from here, this area, or even this, and then buy trade from there with evidence. So we'll always keep an eye on momentum and market structure in smaller time frame, and then we take it from there. I always, almost every day, I have a live stream, a live chart on my YouTube channel. So if you need help with the trade, important levels and direction of the market, that can help you a lot. That's why I only analyze weekly, and for daily trading, you can just see my levels daily. Okay, I hope this is helpful to you guys, and if you like this video, make sure you hit the subscribe and like button. Thank you. Bye bye.